Hey friends, so it is wash day for me and I'm starting out on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. As you can see, my curls are really showing because of this DIY deep conditioner. Right now I'm just shingling through my hair to make sure this wash and go turns out good. If you have 4C hair, then you understand this is very important to do. Yep, and the shrinkage, y'all, is real. So I definitely had to do the banding method, which I love because it gives me the most stretch. And the next day I just took my bands off, and as you can see, my hair is really stretched, and I am loving it. Yeah, I was watching TV at the same time. Stella got her groove back, so yeah, I was entertained, honey. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just shaking it here and fluffing it on out. Yeah, getting it on fluffed out. I'm a little dramatic, so. And yeah, here is the finished product. I hope you like it, and please subscribe to me to see more videos, you guys. I love you. Mwah.